So this is one of the kittens. I have named him Goober after my other cat Goober, who was a goober. This goes to show what a goober looks like. He just came into the yard hungry, and he I think he went through a spider web or something. He hasn't attempted to take it off. It's hanging off his whiskers. It's all over his face. Hey, Goober. I see you. Can you guys see his face? What a goober. Hey, buddy. He's not moving. He's like, I'm hungry. Look at your face. He's just a baby. Most cats would have taken it off by now. What a goober.